9A Sport with a MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core 2.0 GHz processor in carbon black. The smartphone is also available in sea blue, midnight black, coral green, nature green and metallic blue. It features 2GB RAM and 32GB internal storage with a dedicated SD card slot. A 3GB RAM and 32GB storage option is also available. This phone allows for dual SIM functionality. It features a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with 720 by 1600 pixels and a 20:9 aspect ratio that is P2i splash-proof certified. The phone also features face unlocking. The Redmi 9A Sport comes with a 13-megapixel rear camera with AI portrait and a 5-megapixel front camera. It uses the MIUI 12 operating system. The phone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and uses a 10-watt wired charger. It measures 16.5 by 0.9 by 7.7 centimeters and weighs 194 grams. The box includes the Redmi 9A, a power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. This product
Touch capacitive touchscreen with 1600 by 720 pixels resolution, 268 ppi pixel density, and 20 by 9 aspect ratio, which delivers rich details and vivid colors. All our content looks absolutely beautiful on this panel. With up to 2 GHz clock speed, MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core processor, all our daily tasks are done with ease and no hiccups, be it using multiple light apps or light gaming. The Redmi 9A Sport comes with a 5000 mAh lithium polymer large battery that keeps us going for a good period of time with mixed usage. We can charge this with the 10-watt wired charger in box. Redmi 9A Sport comes in a polycarbonate housing with a matte finish back that is fingerprint resistant and feels good and sturdy in hand. At the back of this phone, we have a single 13-megapixel camera setup along with the flash and the Redmi branding. The phone comes with a 6.53-inch HD Plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen with 1600 by 720 pixels resolution. We have all the buttons on the right and the SIM slot on the left, and at the bottom we have the charging port, microphone and the speaker grill.
Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of Redmi 9A Sport. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tap here. Now go in the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have only low option, and in frame rates, low, medium and high options. We will play on low graphics and high frame rate, so you will get 30 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 2GB RAM and MediaTek Helio G25 processor, which works on 12nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get decent performance from the phone, and 6.53-inch IPS LCD display has good touch response. During the long gaming sessions, you get a stable frame rate and good graphics details. The 5000 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of Redmi 9A Sport is up to the mark, and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.